Good evening. Hey, our last class of the month. கூட நீ உங்களுக்கு சுத்தியா இருக்கணும் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் இல்லாதனால கிளாஸ்
இது புரிஞ்சிக்கிறேன்
Okay, right. Let's start. That's great. Close your eyes. Inhale and inhale and your spine straight. Relax your facial muscles. Relax your shoulder muscles. Relax your entire body. Inhale and be at the present moment. Embrace yourself. Embrace your breath. And yourself. The next hours all for yourself. For the practice of inhale and inhale and be at the present moment. Embrace yourself. Focus in your breath. Keep your spine straight. Slowly, eyes stretch out. And to the side, keep your spine straight. Inhale, squeeze your toes. Exhale. Inhale, squeeze your toes. Exhale. Inhale back. Exhale up. Second ankle forward. And it's the part, toes pointed to each other. Okay, inhale down to the side. Exhale up. Inhale down to the side. Exhale up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. It's back together. Hands on your knees. Inhale, lift up the hips off the bed. Exhale up. Inhale it up. Exhale. Bring both of your toes together. Hands below, spine straight. Move your knee up and down. Trikonasana. Inhale it up. Exhale, elongate your spine and go forward. Look forward. Don't look up. Look forward. Okay, elongate and look forward. Elongate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale, go down once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up. Exhale. And your right leg into covering your spine straight. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Stretch nicely. Straighten up. Exhale on your side. Massage your right leg. Spine straight. Left leg straight. Right hand on your right knee. Inhale. Push down. Exhale. Inhale, push down. Exhale. Release into rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Release. Interlock spine straight. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale on your side. Massage your left leg. Spine straight. Left hand on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale. Inhale, push down. Exhale. Release into the rotation. Inhale up. exhale down, inhale up, exhale, right leg over left leg, squeeze in, stretch up, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, exhale, inhale up, bend the thumb and fingers clockwise, rolling, anti-clockwise. Bring your thumb to your shoulder, elbows together, inhale up, interlock two fingers, hold, exhale up, inhale, drop down to the front, exhale all the way back, inhale up, exhale forward. Once again, inhale up, interlock hold, exhale up, inhale, drop down to the front, exhale all the way back, inhale up, exhale forward. Release for your neck. Inhale, exhale, inhale down, chin to the chest. Exhale, center, inhale to your right. Exhale, center, inhale to your left. Exhale, center, chin to your right. Exhale, center, to your left. Exhale. Last one, I will exhale. Interlock your fingers, gaze at the tip of your thumb, not to move your neck, and you move your eyebrows. Inhale up, just gaze at your thumb. Exhale, inhale all the way down. Exhale, center. Inhale to your right. Exhale, center. Inhale to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale the tip of your nose. Gaze at your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the center. To the space in between your eyebrows. Shambhavi. Gaze. Center. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bring the center. Release. Up, release. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width, hands on Namaskar, and close your legs. Tell yourself this is a practice all for yourself, for your happiness, for your inner peace, for your good health, good wealth, and great wisdom. To the practice of yoga, you spread the light, positivity, harmony, good thoughts, good deeds to yourself, your family, those around you, and before we start our practice today, thank the universe, thank Mother Nature, thank all the gurus, yogis, mamas, and teacher. Thank you, fellow practitioner. Thank you, sir. Thank each and every part of it. For giving you the time, the strength, the opportunity, and the ability to practice yoga with heartful of gratitude and awareness. Now slowly inhale, sideways up. Exhale, the center of inhale forward all the way back. Those who didn't come last week, check the notes. Exhale down, right leg back, inhale over. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale up. Knee down, chest down, chin. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Sushumnasana. Inhale, Marjariyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up all the way. Exhale down, left leg back, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg back. Exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Ashtangas. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Sushumnasana. Inhale Marjaniyasana. Exhale Parvatasana. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale up all the way. Exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Fingers. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Elbow bend. Exhale. Shashangasana. Inhale. Marjaniyasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Left leg back. Inhale. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Shashangasana. Inhale. Marjaniyasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Ashtangasana. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Vishal, come down. Exhale. Shashangasana. Inhale. Marjaniyasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. Right leg forward. Inhale. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Left leg back. Inhale. Open. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Mountain. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Shikasana. Inhale. Marjaniyasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Inhale. Both hands down. Bring the other leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Right leg back. Inhale. Open. 3. Wrong hand. Wrong hand. Both hands down. Bring the other leg back. Exhale. Full namaskar. Full namaskar. Knee down. Chest down. Chin down. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Shashangasana. Inhale. Marjaniyasana. Exhale. Parvatasana. Breathe. Shoulder relax. Don't over stretch. Thank you. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale down, left leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashangasana. Inhale, Marjaniyasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale down, right leg back, inhale, open. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Each chest, chin down, hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana, exhale, Shashangasana, inhale, Marjaniyasana, exhale, Parvatasana. Follow. Right leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale down, left leg back, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg back, exhale, mountain. Knee down, chest down, chin down. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashangasana. Inhale, Marjanasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Shoulder relax, knees straight. Left leg forward, inhale. Both hands down, bring the other leg forward. Inhale up, exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale sideways up, exhale to the center of your chest. Ashtanga Ace release. Legs together, roll up your chest, Namaste. Inhale up, sideways. Look up. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up, bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale, upward face. Exhale, downward face. Breathe 1, 2, ரொம்ப push பண்ணுங்க. 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jumping, straight, inhale, hit up. Exhale, hit up. Hit down means your abdomen will go to your side, not your feet. Knees straight. Knees straight. Inhale up, sideways, look up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Those cannot go sideways, it's okay. Go straight, straight up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, hit up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump, in, straight, inhale, hit up. Exhale, hit down. Inhale up. Exhale, third round. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, hit up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Inhale upward. Exhale downward. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jumping. Knees straight. Inhale, hit up. Exhale, hit up. Inhale up. Look up, look up. Exhale. Ashtanga Surya. Inhale, touch and come up. Uttanasana. Say everything karla. Do 7 times. Exhale down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga, exhale. Don't jump hard, jump smooth. I've already put you. No noise should come out. Hold. Rajesh, hold, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Upward facing, don't move down. Look straight up. Right leg forward. Inhale up. Virabhadrasana. Feet flat, money. Pinadical flat. Feet flat. Back leg, feet flat. Back kick. No. See the leg. Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. No, point 2 weight. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadrasana. No, point 2 weight. Right. Exhale, body down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Breathe now. 1, 3. Shoulder பாருங்க. Shoulder squeeze ஆகுது. அங்கே சேருது. நெஞ்சல் படுது. இல்ல. புஷ் பண்றது கரெக்ட். ஓவர் புஷ் பண்றீங்க. அதாவது shoulder இதாகுது. தமிழ் புஷ். கை மீண்டும் விடுவாங்க. புஷ் பண்ணுங்க. Work from here. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in, knees straight. Inhale, hit up. Exhale, hit up. Inhale, touch and come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second one, Samasthiti. Inhale, touch and come up. If I don't give, you will not even touch. Exhale, down. Inhale, hit up. Bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Slow jump, slow jump. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. You must use your hand strength. Right leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadras. Exhale, body down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up, Virabhadras. Exhale, body down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Breathe. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jump in, knees straight, inhale, hit up. Exhale, hit up. Inhale, touch and come up. Focus. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third one, Samasthiti. Now hold. Inhale, touch and come up. Legs must be together. For Ashtanga A and Ashtanga B. Do not forget. Exhale, down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, chaturanga, exhale. Slow and good jump. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Right leg forward. Inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. All body parts. Yeah, why you're falling down? Why? Why you falling down? Open two wide and one leg one side, another leg one side. Well line. Last leg பண்ணுங்க. Now see wide, close. Stay in the close. Now don't move. Stay no Virabhadrasana. Keep பண்ண there. Exhale, body down, chaturanga. You are not balanced. Hold chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale, up. Virabhadrasana. Virabhadrasana நல்ல ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்கு. உள்ளவே கூடாது. ஏன் அன்ஸ்டேபிள் ஆகுது Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward. How's your upward, Nisha? Wrong. See, do not do wrongly. It's either you don't do or do it correct. Exhale, downward. Look up slightly, bend your knees, jumping, knees straight, inhale, hit up. Exhale, hit up. Inhale, touch and up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Then wipe your face, drink some water. டெய்லியும் தப்பு நடக்குதுன்னா தப்பு யார் மேல? உங்க மேல. Means you never practice, or you never see the video there. That's the video transfer. Make a better on the video transfer. Okay, that is correct. Practice பண்ணீங்களா உமா, இஷா, தினிஷா? Must practice. Surya Namaskar. Kasturi, பண்ணல. தெரியல, practice. Okay. Today we are going to revisit all the asanas that we have already seen. We will start with Anjaneya asana, and then we will go into shooting bow, and then we will do Parivitraja Surya Yantrasana, and then we will do Cradle. And then we will do Hanumanasana, Yoga Nidrasana, Ekapada Shirsha. Okay? இவ்வளவுதான் சொல்லுவேன். ஒண்ணுன்னா நீங்க தான் போறீங்க. எழுத மாட்டேன். ஓகே ஓகே. ஆன்லைன் கோர்ஸ் ஆன்லைன் என்னைக்குமே எழுதுறது இல்லை. எழுதுறது பார்த்தா அவங்களுக்கு. ஓகே. So now do Anjaneya. ஆன்லைன்ல செய்யுங்க. நான் திருப்பி செய்யுங்க. செய்யுங்க Anjaneya செய்யுங்க. யாரு கரெக்டா தரா, யார் ராங் சொல்ல தெரியல. ஒரு ஆளை பார்த்து செஞ்சீங்க, அது தாளா வந்துச்சு. தாளா ஆஞ்சநேயாசனா. நம்பிக்கை அந்த ஒரு ஆள் செஞ்சதுனால. Do ஆஞ்சநேயாசனா. I'm not going to show. Online தான் especially. So always I'm showing. ஆண்டி ஆஞ்சநேயாசனா செய்யுங்க. எப்படி? Say, everyone say. Look up. And the mountain போயிட்டு right leg பிடிச்சு போடுவோம். Anjaneya. 7. Look up here, look up. Hands must close. 9. Push, keep on push. 12. Breathe. 14. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. Anjaneyasana. Saying it out, Rajesh. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. Come down, switch leg. Because your mat is still here, that's why. Double up the mat. Inhale up. Push. Keep on pushing. Vani, open some of your leg. Rubaini, open some. Open. Pinadi, push some. Push forward now. Push forward. 1, 2, 3. வாயில breathe பண்ணாதீங்க. மூக்குல தான் breathe பண்ணணும். மேல பாருங்க. Look down. 4. Nisha, open a bit more. 5, 6, 7. Aunty, கால் கீழே வர aunty. 8. கால் கீழே வைங்க. பின்னாடி கால் கீழே வைங்க. பின்னாடி கீழே வைங்க. 9, 10, 11. Stay. ஒரு ஆள் கீழே வந்து நான் கணக்கு பண்ண மாட்டேன். 14. First 3 wrong. கால் அப்படி போய். நான் ஆஞ்சநேயர் எப்படி சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். Mutti, yes. Mutti shouldn't come out of them. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Up. Mountain. Go mountain. knee down, child pose. Inhale, come up. Shooting bow. Rajesh, do shooting bow. Why? Rubaini, do shooting bow. Shanu, do shooting bow. Rachel, do shooting bow. Why looking at Shanu? Also don't know. Why looking at Shanu? Do shooting bow. How to do shooting bow? Krishna, do. எங்க வரும் அது காலை காலை எங்க வரும் No. Really? சைடுல பிடி சைடுல பிடி கால் சைடுல பிடி கால் புட்டோ பிடிக்காது Then why are you writing asana when you don't know? Ask yourself, why are you writing asana when I teach? இது முத வாட்டி சொல்லல தானே நானு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிகினர்ஸ்க்கு இட்ஸ் ஓகே இது முத வாட்டி நான் சொல்றேன்னா இல்ல தானே அப்புறம் நீங்க ஆசனா எழுதுறீங்க அப்புறம் என்கிட்ட என்ன ஆசனான்னு கேக்குறீங்க கரெக்டாடா இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்றேன் சன்ஸ்கிரிட்ல கூட சொல்லல ஆமாவா இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் சொன்னேன் ஷூட்டிங் போல் செய்யுங்க எது நான் சன்ஸ்கிரிட்ல சொல்லியிருந்தா இங்கிலீஷ்லயே தெரியல சன்ஸ்கிரிட் எப்படி தெரியும் செய்யுங்க வரல என்ன எல்லாம் ஷூட்டிங் போ யூ ஷூட்டிங் போ ஷூட்டிங் எப்ப சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் லாஸ்ட் வீக் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் ஷூட் பண்ணிடுவேன் கலை இது இல்ல ஷூட்டிங் எப்படி செய்யறது how to do shooting bow ஸ்ரீ வித்யா இந்த போன கிளாஸ் தான் செஞ்சீங்க எப்படி செய்யறது கரெக்ட் தான் செய்யுங்க அதான் செஞ்சுட்டாங்க ஷானு செய்யுங்க ஒன்லைன்ல கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கு எப்படி செய்யறது என்ன நீங்களாம் கரெக்ட் எப்படி ஷூட்டிங் போ செய்யறது சரி how to do shooting bow வாசுகி I don't know One, two, three அந்த கை இதுல இருக்கு காயில ஒரு கை காயில இருக்கும் ஒரு கை வந்து காதில் இருக்கும் 4 கால் இழுத்து கால் 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 that's it. Switch. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. The second one, okay, let's see. என்ன நவுறுவே இல்ல ஃபேன் நான் க்ளீன் பண்ணிட்டேன் அந்த ஃபேன் ஆஃப்ல இருக்கு வேற ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஏர்கான் தட்டி இருக்கா அதனாலயா ஏர்கான் வருதா கண்டிப்பா உங்க சூடா இருக்கும் ஏன்னா இப்பதான் நானே பாக்குறேன் ஓகே போன் பார்க்காதீங்க பரிவித்ர சூரிய யந்திராசனா செய்யுங்க இதுதான் சன்ஸ்கிரிட்ல சொல்ல போறேன் பரிவித்ர சூரிய யந்திராசனா போன வருஷமா இந்த Saying Parvitra Surya Yantrasana. Compass pose. Saying do compass pose. Wrong. See? Rajesh, wrong. Wrong தான் சொல்லுவேன். என்ன wrong நீங்க தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Richard, pay. Cool. Nisha, wrong. Kumar, wrong. Kesenia, wrong. Gilla, correct. Don't hold the clues. Saying anti-correct. Very good. Vasuki, do? Yes, good. Very good. Good. Don't hold the toes. Don't hold the toes. Kalei. Wrong. That's not compass. That is mermaid. What is compass pose? Reshma, correct. Wrong. Wrong hand. Okay, correct. அந்த கை எங்க இருக்கு? கை அங்க எங்க இருக்கணும் கை? கை எங்க இருக்கணும்? See, Tanisha, correct. Yes. Hold the leg. Hold your leg. Sing it. Nothing. 9, 10, pull. 11, 12, Nisha hand wrong. 13, 14, Mani, smile for them. 18, 19, 20, come down. Switch leg. நான் compass pose நிறைய வாட்டி சொல்லி கொடுத்ததுனால எல்லாம் அத நான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொன்னோன்னு தான் செய்வீங்க. ஓகே, still okay. Acceptable. ஆண்டி அந்த கை உள்ளுக்கு. இல்ல முடிச்ச கை கரெக்ட் தான். இன்னொரு கை உள்ளுக்கு கலப்பிடிக்க. கை உள்ளுக்கு கொண்டு போய் கலப்பிடிக்க. அந்த கை. 1. I cannot see actually. 2. Vasuki, wrong. கை பாருங்க. கை மேல இருக்கும். Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, Tamil, wrong. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, wrong. Saying it. Left leg saying it in the Parvitra another. So, revolving another. Answer is already there. Okay? 3 prepare செஞ்சிட்டீங்களா? கடைசி என்னது சொன்னேன்? சொல்லுங்க. வேரியா? கிரேடல் செய்யுங்க. கிரேடல் போன வாரம் சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்க. கிரேடல் நான் நார்மலா கிரேடல் என்னது? வாட் இஸ் கிரேடல்? தொட்டி. ஓகே? தொட்டி போன வாரம் ஆட்டவே இல்ல நீங்க. ஆமாவா? தொட்டி ஆட்டல. என்ன பண்ணீங்க? Oh yes. தொட்டிய chest கிட்ட கொண்டு வந்தீங்க. Do this. Bring it closer to the chest. Pull it closer to the chest. யாரெல்லாம் போன வாரம் ஏகபத சீர்ஷாசன அன்லாக் பண்ணலையோ this week you have to unlock. If you never practice, I will unlock it for you. யாரும் நல்லா டச் பண்ணல. செய்யுங்க எல்லாம் செய்யுங்க. கணக்கு பண்ணி தான் இருக்க மாட்டேன். யாரை நானும் டச் பண்ணவே இல்லை. I have not touched yet. Adjusted. I have not adjusted yet. Darshini, I have adjusted you, huh? Yes, no. Windy. நீங்க எல்லாம் ஒண்ணா வரணும். நானும் ரேச்சல் தான் எப்போதுமே ஃபார்வர்ட். 11 12 13 இப்படி இல்ல இப்படி 14 இப்படி இல்ல டோன்ட் கோ சைட்வேஸ் 15 16 17 18 19 20 switch. Bring it closer like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, straight up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Drink some water. Don't drink too much of water. Go to mountain pose. Roll your front mat a bit before you go into mountain pose. Online பரவாயில்ல online செஞ்சுக்கலாம். இன்னைக்கு ரோல் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Rolling backwards, inwards. Go mountain. Rolling inward. When you roll inward, it will not move. When you roll it outward, it will. Inward roll பண்ணிடு. Inward, inward. உள்ளுக்கு இப்படி roll. மேட் இப்படி roll பண்ணுங்க. இப்படி roll பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Mountain pose. Right leg forward. Bring your right leg outside of your mat. Inhale, exhale, push, Hanumanasana. Slowly, don't enjoy yourself for a chair. Slowly, slowly. இல்ல சாமி மட்டும் தான் நீங்க ஃபுல்லா ஒர்க் பண்ணுங்க. சாமி என்ன ஃபுல்லா அன்லாக் பண்ணிடுச்சு. மெதுவா. Very good. I will know from your Hanumanasana how far you are going in your practice. Stay. Very good, Vasudhi. Very good. Auntie, very good, Auntie. Very good. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்கு. பரவாயில்ல, பொறுமையா போங்க. Very good. Stay and smile. That is the beauty of it. You will not see the pain if you are practicing. If you really want to unlock it, you will see the pain as pleasure. Now, if you see the pain as pain, that's why you want to come in front, right? Go. Come up, switch. Switch. Don't enjoy yourself. Push பண்ண சொல்றப்ப ஓவர் புஷ் பண்ணாதீங்க. லிமிட்னா என்னன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும், உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். I only push more for those who can really go. Left leg forward. Inhale, lift up your toes on your heel. Exhale, push down. One. கை கீழே இருக்கணும், கலை என் கை மேல இருக்கு. கை கீழே வச்சுக்கோங்க. கை கீழே வை. எஸ், அங்கேயே மூவ் பண்ணுங்க. பின்னாடி கால் ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்ட்ரெயிட். இது வரைக்கும் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பின்னாடி கால் must be straight already. Front leg you work on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Yogi Dandasana. செய்யுங்க. ப்ரிப்பரேட்டிவ்லாம் செஞ்சுக்கீங்க. Go into Yogi Dandasana. How to do yoga? Except Apuna was not here. Oh, everyone, you have seen in the group maybe. Yogi Dandasana. How to do Yogi Dandasana? You must be confident in your own asana. You don't have to look at anyone when you really know how to do it. Yogi Dandasana. Dandana என்னது? Tongkai. So yeah, leg does the tongkai. So where? I want to see the tongkai. You want to see? தானே என்ன பண்ற? என்னாச்சு? மைக் வருதா? அவரா? யோகி Dandasana. என்ன தெரியல, நீ தானே செஞ்ச? எக்ஸாம் நெகட்டிவ் சொல்லுங்க. யோகி Dandasana செய்யுங்க எல்லாம். Do Yogi Dandasana, Vasuki. How to do Yogi Dandasana? Last week தான் செஞ்சீங்க. How to do it? இல்ல அது போன வர செஞ்சீங்க. யோகி Dandasana. அது இல்ல. கை வைக்கிறது. கை வச்சு செஞ்சியே. கால்ல. You did this right. Remember? Oh, one minute. Sending a Yogi Dandasana, remember? Do, everyone do. Say, both legs must do, especially right leg. இல்ல மடக்கி இருக்கு இப்படி. yeah, like this. Correct. நான் கீழ வச்சிருக்கேன். ரெண்டால இது போற. Don't. Feet must look up. The feet must look up like that. Not like that. It doesn't go like that. Yeah, it won't be like that. See, it will be like that. Feet open. நீ மாதிரி எல்லாம் நல்லா செய்ய. ஆனா இது வீடியோ அனுப்பிட்டேன். Video for send. I hope you understand the video for send. All the classes. 186 views before I came to YouTube. But I don't know who viewed because it was public. Now I put unlisted video. I don't know whether it's my student or some other student. Okay. Because there is some teachers who will look at our video and then they will teach. நான் என்கிட்ட சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. உங்க வீடியோ பார்த்து நான் கத்து கொடுத்தேன் அப்படின்னா another videos unlisted ஆயிடும். பெரிய பெரிய கும்பவா நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன் அந்த வீடியோல unlisted. அது ரெண்டு வீடியோ பார்த்துட்டேன். பப்ளிக் கொடுத்தேன். நீங்களா பார்க்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் லிங்க் இருக்கு. செய்யுங்க. பேசிக்கிட்டே வந்து பேசிக்கிட்டே செய்யுங்க எல்லாம் செய்யுங்க. Like that. Because if you take a walk or like that, we can go like that. Then let's sleep for a while. I can come. இவ்வளவு நேரம் செஞ்சு எல்லாம் எழுந்திருச்சாரு. And somehow with my injury. Okay. See, I've already mentioned. I want you to turn the feet first. It's okay if you have not gone here. Turn. Don't go with the body together, leg together, and some head and body. Just turn it. Just turn it like that. Try. Work first. From here, your leg is like that, right? Kick your leg. Step by step. It's on all in the rotation, all in the rotation. Hold it like that. Turn it like that. On the class, you will understand I have already reached. Turn, take your leg. Slowly push it. And up. Push it. Then up. Switch leg. கால் கீழே போகுது இல்ல கால் மேல ஸ்விட்ச் வரும் you are doing this rotation, remember this will actually help you to go down like that. That's why I did preparatory very precisely when I teach, because this asana all is challenging now. Okay, it's easy, it becomes easy when you practice. Okay, it becomes easy when you practice. You think what? It's only a couple of ways, right? You think like when it just went like that, the first day I came to yoga, never. I wish it had gone like that the first day. No, it was not like that. I always turn and turn, and of course, it's not teaching. I think I'm becoming more flexible because of you. You're supposed to become flexible because of me, but I'm becoming flexible because of you. Okay? Switch பண்ணீங்க காலை எடுத்து வந்து last asana ekapad sirsasana Shanu got injured after doing Ekapada Sirsasana because we are going into our yoga competition. Then on Wednesday when I saw her, I was like, what happened? The cluster, you? I go over. Ekapada Sirsasana. But you have to bring your leg like that. Do not push it like that to bring it up. Okay? But from here, you have to slide it up. You have to slide it up like that. Not from here, don't bring it from here because it will not go. Your hip will get long. Okay? Can sing it? Push. Will not break. Okay, you do. Who didn't come last week? Rúபாய் நீ வரலையா கிளாஸ்க்கு? என்னாச்சு? என்ன சொன்னீங்க தானே? சொல்லலையா? சொல்லல. ஓகே ஓகே. சொல்லமா சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லல. நீங்க take out your specs, right? The conda also will get disturbed, so it's just do your conda, hair band, everything. Slowly. Because essential. What is it? Okay, right now. Hold it like that. Push it. No. Hold it like that. அப்படி செய்யற. No. ஏன் அப்படி செய்யற? Don't do like compass pose. Do not do like compass pose. Don't do like compass pose. Don't go like that. Then what? Don't do this. I just taught you. You bring it towards the cradle. From cradle you will go. From cradle, from here, you will go up. Okay? Okay, from cradle. போங்க ஒண்ணே போட்டலாம் போச்சு. போங்க. கலை ஒண்ணு கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்கு. முதுவ செய்யுங்க. ஒண்ணு கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்கு. Very good. Very good. Go, do. Slowly. என்ன இருக்கு? கால் தான். Slowly. Very good. Okay. Come down. Slowly. Relax. Do both legs. Do both legs. Okay. Vertical செஞ்சீங்களா? செய்யுங்க. Practice பண்ணு வீட்ல. Yeah. Like, but the chest will be up. Then you do that. இப்பதான் நிறைய போறதுக்குள்ள நம்ம நல்லா பண்ணணும். எல்லா கிளாஸும் தான் சொல்றேன். பாப்போம் யார் எத்தனை பேர் அனுப்புறோம். அடுத்த வருஷம் ரீட்ரீட் போறதுக்குள்ள போட்டு தான் நம்ம செக்ஷன் தான் போறோம். செய்யறோம். சாமி செஞ்சிருச்சு. எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஒர்க் பண்ணும் இல்ல நம்ம தானே வந்துடும். தினைக்கும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க. கன்ஃபார்ம் will come. Impossible it will not come to you when you practice daily. Impossible. Konde is blocking Tamil. Sometimes the konde is very good. Yeah. Okay. Be good. Go. Push பண்ணுங்க. அந்த கை கீழ வைங்க. தள்ளுங்க. Push your body out. வெளிய வரும். நான் அப்படி வந்து வெளியே போன வாரம் slowly. Don't overpush. Slowly work. Must work coming up. Okay? Are we good? I'll see you next month with the new sets of asanas. Actually, suppose my bag bending. Never put its bag bending. Good. September. Next month what does I will tell next month. Okay? All right? Which is next week, technically. Okay? Till then, thank you so much. I will see you all again next week. I'll see you all again on Saturday. Take care, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a good week again. Thank you. Story like story like. Rachel, do your asanas. Quick one. Tell you, man. First asana. Okay. Next. Okay, it's okay. Won't do that on the stage, huh? Okay. Smile. Nano, and you say no. Okay. I think only one side. I think only one side. Did you say two sides? No, if two side, then you do two side. Okay? Okay. Okay.